Today, our search has extended into cyberspace. For the first time ever, acts have been able to upload videos to YouTube for their chance to perform for the judges. And first up, it's Pip and Poppy.
My name's Pippa Langhorne, I'm 20 years old and this is Buddy. I've had Buddy for 5 months now. We do everything together and everywhere we go people just adore him.
Just the two of us. We can make...
I work in a pub in Bromsgrove on the bar, but I really enjoy singing. I've done a few weddings, parties, and this is something I really want to do. Ideally, my career was solo, but Buddy's talent can't go amiss. As soon as I found out that Britain's Got Talent were auditioning through YouTube, we couldn't wait to record the video and send it off. So that's why we're here today.
They're ready for you if you're ready for them.
Great.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah?
Here we
Let's
go.
do it.
Good luck,
Let's do it.
Buddy is so special and unique, it has to be noticed.
We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
What's your name?
My name's Pippa Langhorne.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I work in a bar in Bromsgrove.
And who is that gorgeous thing?
This is my baby Buddy.
Is he used to performing?
Not really, this is the first time that we're going to do this, but he's quite chilled out actually. It's really,
Is he?
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay, when you're ready, Pip. Good luck, buddy.
Singing dog gets a standing ovation.
Michael.
Hi, Pippa. Hi, buddy.
Hi!
Yeah, well, you never know what to expect. But this was very surprising.
Oh,
I mean, who knew that was going to happen? And the audience loved it right off the bat. As soon as Buddy belted his head back, "Ooh!" Congratulations, well done.
Music does Buddy like to listen to generally?
Classical and opera.
So he couldn't do any Lady Gaga, for instance?
I could definitely try, but
Yeah.
it's up to him, he's quite fussy.
Is he?
So if you were to sing a pop song, Buddy wouldn't sing?
Well, we could try and do a remix, maybe.
A remix. Very entertaining.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, right, well, it's time to vote. David.
It's a yes for Buddy!
Michael.
I'm going to say yes. Of course I am.
Pip. Buddy. 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 You've got 3 yeses.
Thank you.
Well done, buddy. Come over here. That was brilliant.
That was cute. It's incredible. I want to do it again.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, I think YouTube's worth it for moments like that.
Well done, buddy.
Well done. Bye.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.